Yes! That's it. Exhale. Boom! Tayo. Ah! Okay, very good. Bago ka mag-impact, exhale. Para pag nalaglag ka from a height, hindi ka mawawalan ng wind. Yes! Hindi nawawala yung judo, chong. Hindi nawawala. Okay, ito meron na si Andy. Tayo muna. So nalala mo to from judo malamang. Pero this is a back break fall, okay? From here, for basic, pumuna, 45-degree angle hands, slam the mat, don't literally, bang! Ganito lang. Okay? Pagka-round mo ng likod mo, you should be able to stand up. Nice. Round your back. Yes. Balik. Yes. Try mo next time walang hands. Patayo. Op. Ikaw may get up ka na dapat. Go, Nox. Round your back, ha? Round your back. Tak mo yung chin mo. Nice. Very good. 10. Give me 10. 10? Andi yung get up mo, left, right, ha? Left and right, ha? Pag alternate mo, ha? Yan, very good. Alternate mo, ha? Baby pa yung sa kanya, ikaw, teenager na yung techniques mo dapat. Nice. Very good, very smooth. Oh, yeah! Slam mo yung mat pagkababa mo para may momentum ka pabalik. Nice. Extend mo pa ng konti. Yan, 45 degrees para naka-letter A. Yes. Okay, slam mo pa ng konti, huwag ka maya. Yon, very good. Yes, there you go. That's it. Exhale. Boom. Tayo. Nice. 5 more. Boom. Woo. Three more, Nox. Go. Okay. Yeah. That distance. Very good. Inom. Catch your breath. Two more, Ansa. Nice. Boom. Exhale, Ansa. Hindi mo kalimutan. Kabila. Yan. Okay, good. Pagod ka na ba? Hindi pa naman. Patulog ka ba? Inom. Lala mo na, di ba? Bale, magkakaroon ka kakaroon ka ng stamina after 3-4 months. Kahit once a week. Turn the wheel. Pag nakamaniobra na tayo, pwede na tayong dumiretso. Makapag-strength ka na. Tara! Go! Okay. New lesson for today. Basic shrimping. Movement siya ginagamit sa lahat ng grappling to escape. So, when you break fall, you wanna get away, hindi mo po masyado po malapit, kahit nandito. Okay? You shrimp away, meaning you get on your side like a baby. Okay? Put your feet here, okay, and push him down while extending. Do it on the other side. Boom. And I can do it from here. Forever. Okay, let's try that. Go. So, do it together. Break fall. Choose a side. Be a baby. Put your feet on the mat, both of them. Okay. As far up the butt as it can go. Okay. Push him down. Good. Nice. Extend pa. Yan, very good. Okay? Go to the other side. Same thing. Push. Boom. Very good. Go. Yan. Push it down. Nice, Nox. Ang key dyan, naka-side ka para konti lang yung nagtatouch sa mats. Tapos, hands. For you, this should be familiar. Okay? Pag nandito yung tao, in the side. Push me down. Boom! There you go. Pati pa. Nice! Okay, tayo. Taba na, baka. Okay. Sige, let's do it again. Break fall. Okay. Kung medyo tinatamad kayo, dalawa, pwedeng isa lang. The key really is for you to be on your side. Hindi pwedeng nakaganito. Hindi pwedeng nakaganito. Raise your head. Okay? If you can raise your hips, okay rin. Okay? Sige, try it for a smoother shrimping experience. Nice. There you go, that's it. Exhale, inhale, boom. Exhale, inhale, very good. Nice. Okay. Up, drag the bottom foot, yung nasa taas yung pang shrimp mo. Go. Yan, kabila. Ito yung, yan, very good. That's it. Nice. Kamusta, Nox? Drink? Drink? Okay pa? Ikaw, okay ka pa? Sige. So let's do this drill. Basic lang. Break fall. Shrimping. Okay? Pagdating sa dulo, ikaw, you can stand up no matter how you want. Okay? Pero si Andy, need to do your technical stand-up. Turuan kita mamaya ng stand-up. Okay? 2 minutes. Wait for the bell. Go. Shrimp. Nice. On your side. Exhale when you shrimp. Very good, Nox. Watch your breathing. Okay, stand up na from there, Nox. One more for you. Shrimp pa. Last mat. One more. Yes, now stand up. Nice, hands. Balik. Busin natin 2 minutes. Yes. Turuan kita mamaya. Go. Don't stop. 2 minutes lang yan. Kaya niyan. Exhale, Nox. Remember to breathe. Okay, tayo na, Nox. Very good. Wala pa. Okay, hands. Tayo na. Technical stand-up. Don't stop. Mas makarami ka pa kay Andy. Yeah, go. Good, Nox. Exhale, inhale. Nice. Okay, tayo, Nox. Ang galing manghipon ni bilis, oh. Go, Nox. Don't stop. 2 minutes. Go, Hans. Run. Nice, Nox. Okay, stand up na. Okay, stop. Very good. Catch your breath. Inom, inom. Lalaki naman yung ano mo doon. Wala ka lang ano, ibang mangyayari. Wala na ibang mangyayari, malaki ka lang. Hindi siya functional eh.